If you want to create broadcast emails faster and write better copy in less time, ChatGPT can help you do it in just a few simple steps. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to generate a broadcast email with a friendly tone, add a strong subject line, and then send it to your audience. This is a great workflow for newsletters, promotions, seasonal offers, and quick marketing updates. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. First, open ChatGPT in your browser. Once it loads, you're going to use a prompt that gives ChatGPT clear instructions about the goal of the email, the tone, and the call to action. For example, you can ask it to write a broadcast email for a 20% off spring sale, include the subject line "Spring has sprung," and add a call to action button that says "Shop now." The more specific your prompt is, the better the result will be. You can also mention the audience, the style, and whether you want the email to sound playful, professional, or sales-focused. After you enter your prompt, ChatGPT will generate the email content for you. Take a moment to review it carefully. Look for anything that needs adjusting, such as the opening line, the offer details, the urgency, or the call to action. If the draft feels too long or too short, you can ask ChatGPT to rewrite it in a shorter format or make it more persuasive. You can even request different versions until you find one that matches your brand voice. Once you have the email copy you want, the next step is to send the broadcast from your email platform. Click Add Recipients and choose the list you want to send to. This is where you make sure the message goes to the right audience, whether that's all subscribers, a VIP list, or a specific segment. Then click Add Subject and paste in the subject line that ChatGPT generated, or customize it slightly if you want to test a different angle. After that, review the broadcast one more time. Make sure the formatting looks good, the link or button works properly, and the message clearly matches the offer you're promoting. This final check is important because it helps prevent mistakes before you send it out. When everything looks right, click Send in the top right corner to deliver the broadcast email to your list. And that's it. You've now used ChatGPT to create a broadcast email and send it in just a few steps, which can save a huge amount of time and make your email marketing much easier. If this video helped you, please like the video and subscribe for more tutorials on using AI and software tools to work smarter. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.